हैं? अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स इसीलिए आते हैं, लेकिन अब कम हो गए। वो जो हेट वाले मैसेजेस पहले आते थे ना, वो बहुत कम हो गए, लेकिन गालियाँ हमने बंद की हुई। एग्जैक्टली। ओके, ऑलराइट, सो द टॉपिक इज डिस्क्राइब समथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू लॉस्ट.
Assalamu alaikum sir. Today I will talk about something I lost and it left me scarred for life. I remember when I was in metric class and I got 93% marks in my metric exam. My father gifted me with a phone OnePlus 80. You might have heard of it. It is a great phone for gaming purposes, and for a person like me who does nothing but play games in his free times, it was like a dream come true. And I was very fond of it. I was even able to play games with high graphics on it, which were usually on PC. And the way I lost it was not that I forgot it somewhere, or I just put it somewhere and then don't remember, or just lost it on the way I was going somewhere. I lost it when it was stolen. This year on March 31st, there was a case of stealing in our house. And I was awake at that time when the thief came to our house, but I was downstairs. And my phone was upstairs. Usually I keep my phone by myself, but with me all the time. But at that time I was studying, so to not distract myself, my phone was upstairs. And because of that, the thief took advantage of it and grabbed my phone and went home. And I realized it very late. I went after doing my assignment for my university. I went upstairs, went to bed without realizing that my phone was already missing. And when I woke up at the morning without my alarm, my mother came to wake me up. At that time, I realized that something was missing. And when I checked everywhere, first my bench where I put my phone, it was not there. Then other tables, other places, even the cabinets, it was not there. There were many things stolen from it, but I was more sad about my phone because I had many memories with it, and it was very important to me.
Excellent. Okay, well done. Very, very good. You expressed yourself very well. Your body language, intonation, language, it's good. Yes, there are few grammatical errors which you need to overcome, but
Okay, sir.
overall, it's very fine.
Okay.
Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What kinds of people may lose things often?
Sir, in my opinion, people who are careless will lose things very often. And I have seen some people myself who are careless and then lose. But for me, I am a very careful person and I lose things very rarely. This was the first time I lost something in my life.
Okay, excellent. Very good. Keep it up like this. Inshallah, you'll get good band score. Inshallah.
Okay.
Thank you.